Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Rocket League 64-bit DX11 Cooked error. Let's fix it guys. Just need to right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Now we just need to find Epic Games Launcher. Just right click on it and select End Task. Do the same thing for Rocket League. After that scroll down. Under here make sure the Epic Games Launcher is not running in the background. After that just close stuff here. Now we just need to go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK to open up. Find Epic Games launcher folder. Just double click on it. Double click on the saved folder. Right click on the web cache and select delete it. After deleting this folder, just to close stuff here. Now you just need to open up Epic Games. Go to library. Click on the three dot icon next to Rocket League and select manage. Select this open install location option. Now you just need to double click on the TA game. Right click on the cache folder. Just delete it. After that just close stuff here. Select the verify option and verify the game files. In my case I have Rocket League update, so the verify files option is missing. In your case you can verify the files. After getting verified on, your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.